Deputy Commissioner ka East Jaintia District Shibanj Awasti IS Rapantip baka Bor District lembaga hukum ke High Court Meghalaya kelapan pra ki Karkhana Cook ki Trekam Be ha district ya ka jing penpra ne penleku ya gini ki Karkhana Cook lale ha ka jing la musop divisional officer Umanish Kumar IS bat ki officer ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat ki pulit Deputy Commissioner la pentip ba baro ki Karkhana Cook ba Trekam Be ki don khandro tli ha East Jaintia District ha ka ba santli la penpra kaman shwa Sak harway tri bedang sa kabal ajing tip hau risau matau snem dak babta ban but enti ya ki kendon an nrei klam yo jubab na ki bol peniat kini Karkhana Cook hau ki jing peta ka High Court Meghalaya la pen pra no ya kini Karkhana Cook na duk khalai tarik no pra aja pusan hadu mental pen pra nyau teli na ki khatway tri Karkhana Cook kat ba sau teli pen pra hi ki trai Karkhana Cook barok khatway tri Karkhana Cook ki badang Trekam Be la pen sange bakin Trekam la ong udisi.
So as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained the necessary permissions for regularization, and since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Jaintia Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants, and for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.